Yes.
I'm traveling by myself.
Okay.
My 3 days I booked the flight.
Okay.
Came to the Philippines.
And enjoy.
2 days, amazing. People are the best. I've been in Asia for many years.
Okay.
Philippines is never. It's really, the food is amazing. The sea is amazing.
Okay.
You're from the Philippines?
Yes.
I'm from Israel, but Philippines is. I will come back for sure. Again, I have only 2 weeks. Okay. Do I need really to explain why it's good? You ready?
Hindi namin sa ulo kaya. Pero hanggang oras lang.
Hindi paglip dito.
Hindi na lang. Anong kantay na? What song?
This is Madagascar.
Tagalog na lang.
You don't like? What do you like? Which song?
Sabi mo.
Which song?
Hindi kami marunong magkanta kuya. Hindi bitaw. Hindi na magkanta. Tagalog na lang.
Sige.
Kaya kasi siya makano. Hindi ba kayo alam?
Oasis.
Climb the greatest heights, jump down and have a fight, and that's all we'll ever like. But that can never change my mind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way. When it hurts like this, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, when it hurts like this, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, when it hurts like this. We hold each other high, but we fall 1,000 times. But I'd never say goodbye or ever leave this stuff behind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way. When it hurts like this, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever growlings when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change.